y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is Wednesday, September 25th, and today I'm filming a keto full day of eating vlog. I have Mr. Cooper right here because I can't trust him to be alone for the 1 minute it takes me to film this intro because he is a crazy one. So yeah, today I don't know what we're gonna get into. Cody is actually on vacation. Ow! So we just are doing vacation things for Cody. So I know we need to go to the grocery store here shortly. We have no food in the house except cheese. It is so bad. So I know we're gonna go to the grocery store, stock up on some keto essentials, and get some stuff for food for the week. So let's hop into this video. I am starting out my morning with my cold brew peach green tea that Cooper is licking. That's great. I added in some of these sweet leaf sweet drops, just some liquid stevia to sweeten it up a little bit. Look at this baby in his dog bed. Yeah, thank you for laying in the dog bed Mommy spent a lot of money on. We are currently on the way to the grocery store because number one, I am so hungry. We have no food at the house and we're about to pull up at the grocery store and Cody goes, "Oh no, I forgot my wallet." It's always very convenient that he forgets his wallet when we're going to the grocery store. Going to stock our refrigerator with some yumminess and then probably make some lunch as soon as we get home because I'm just so hungry I can't even stand it.
Thanks for the food today, babe. You're the best.
Time to go shopping.
We're going shopping.
We're getting us some Cajun smoked ham, some of this Butterball Cajun turkey, and some of this Colby Jack cheese. Yum. We are back home from the grocery store. We kind of just blacked out while we were in there and bought all kinds of things. So I'm gonna do a grocery haul. There's a lot here, so let me show you what we picked up. Here's a quick little overview of what we picked up. And yeah, when I say it's a lot, it's quite a bit. So let's start back here. I got some chicken tenderloins because I'm gonna do some keto fried chicken tenders. Look for that video soon. Got some ground beef, some pork sausage. We're gonna do some stuffed mushrooms, some burgers for dinner tonight, a rotisserie chicken just for whatever. They had some meat and cheese on sale, so we got a pound of this Cajun smoked ham, 2 pounds of this Cajun butterball turkey, and like a pound of this Colby Jack cheese, because it was only like $3 or so a pound for each of these, so pretty good deal. I got some bacon bits for loaded cauliflower. I got an Applewood smoked bacon pork loin. Some of these uncured cheese dogs because I want to make some keto kolaches. 2 different kinds of cheese because these were buy one get one. Some liquid stevia. Some squash. A bag of onions. A shallot. A big thing of mashed cauliflower. A thing of riced cauliflower. Sour cream and eggs. Some pork rinds. Cream cheese. Beef and chicken broth. Some cheese for Bo and Cody, some butter, olive oil because I ran out, some low carb wraps, and I think that is just about it. So definitely stocked our fridge back up with this, have some things to make over the next couple of days, so I'm super excited about that because our fridge has been empty. Now I've got to put all of this in the fridge. Before we hop into the rest of the video, I wanted to take a minute to thank Care Of for partnering with me for today's video. If you're not familiar with Care Of, it is a wellness brand that makes it easy for you to get the right vitamins, supplements, and protein powders for your specific needs. The holiday season is approaching us real quickly, so now is the time to prioritize your health and get a new routine going. Whether you're looking to get more sleep, have more energy, try and get some glowing skin, Care Of is there to help you build the plan of success. How Care Of works is you go online and you take a quick and easy 5-minute quiz where you answer questions about your diet, lifestyle, and health needs. And you will get some research-backed recommendations for vitamins, supplements, and protein powders you may need. Once you figure out what you need, your order is shipped straight to your door in convenient daily packs, and they're even personalized with your name on them. They have also changed out their packaging, and it is now compostable, and it meets the same safety and quality standards as the previous packaging. So you just go to their website and it tells you how to compost the packages. How cool is that? I have been using Care Of for months now, and I love it because it's so convenient and easy. I just open my little package each and every night, pop my vitamins, and I am vitamined up. So if you are interested in giving Care Of a try, you can get 25% off of your first order by going to takecareof.com and using the promo code Katherine. So be sure to check that out if you're interested, but let's hop right into the rest of the video. Today in the mail, I got these new marine bean bags that I can use on our boat. But someone has already decided he likes to use them as a dog bed. Look at this sweet baby. You like it? You can totally use this as a dog bed. I love it. You're just so cute. He's like, the puppy cannot touch me up here. But I love this color. It's like a sea foam, and that's like a blue, light blue. Ooh, you look very nice on them. Very handsome. Okay, so for lunch today, I'm going to do these really simple lunch meat roll-ups since we bought so much lunch meat at the grocery store today. So pretty much I am just going to take a piece of my turkey, which I have right here. I may actually do kind of like 2 on this one and layer it because these are kind of thin, like so. And now what I'm going to do is take some yellow mustard. Just put a little mustard on there. Now I'm going to take some mayo, squeeze a little bit of that on there, and just spread it out with a knife real quick. And now I'm going to take a slice of my Colby Jack cheese we had cut at the deli, lay that right there in my roll-up, and now I am just going to roll this up into a little bite-size roll. And there you go. We have some keto-friendly lunch meat roll-ups. Look at how easy that is. I quickly threw together my little lunch meat wraps. I have some of these kosher mini dill pickles to go along with it. And I have a little bowl of some almonds that have been salted with the Himalayan pink salt. So that is going to be my lunch along with one of these coconut pineapple buys. So yeah, time to go dig in. So as y'all saw, after lunch, we all took us a nice nap on the couch. Now, me, Cody, Bo, and Cooper, we are all over at Cody's brother's house. We've got to do some work on the boat, which I'll tell y'all about in a few minutes. But yeah, so time to just hang out and fix stuff. Cooper is really liking Brooklyn, but he doesn't realize how much smaller than her that he actually is. He's like, let's play.
Yeah.
So, quick little story. So here's our boat right here. Yesterday, since Cody is on vacation, we obviously were gonna try and go fishing because we bought this boat to fish. Well, Boat stands for bust out another 1,000, and we got about a half a mile from the boat ramp and our engine right there, it died. It wouldn't turn over, wouldn't crank. So thankfully I paid the $140 membership fee to Keto, which is kind of like AAA but for boats. They came and towed us because we were stuck, we were dead in the water. So they towed us back, we got it back on the trailer, and today we found out that we have like $160 of bad fuel in our boat. Our gas should look like what's in the bottle on the left, but our fuel is actually on the right. So definitely something wrong there. So we're gonna have to drain the entire tank, and I'm gonna cry because we're losing a lot of money on that. So yeah, that's what's going on. We believe it's bad fuel that just won't work. Bunch of water in the tank, which is no good. So it's always something with a boat. Cody started helping his brother because they are in the process of renovating their house. So this is what I did. I did a little exercise in their yard to keep myself occupied. Whew. We are back at home now, and we're gonna go ahead and get started on these burgers for dinner. We have Cody right here who is seasoning up the patties. What you using?
Using garlic powder and onion powder and some Worcestershire sauce.
Awesome. All right, so to season the burgers, Cody's just doing a little bit of onion powder and a little bit of garlic powder. Yum, yum, yum. And some Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire. I'm just rubbing that in and doing it to both sides. And it gives them a nice, good seasoning when you throw them on the grill. To go with the burgers, I am making myself some of this mashed cauliflower. I bought the frozen tray of it. I am going to heat it up in the microwave, and then I'm going to load it by adding some bacon, sour cream, and cheese. So my go-to little quick and easy side. And since it's Cody's vacation, I let him pick out some, you know, carby sides that he can have. So I'm also cooking him some of this jalapeno cheddar rice-a-roni and some baked beans to go with his burger, but I am not gonna eat those because, yeah, not keto. I have some of this extra sharp cheddar cheese, and I am just going to grate it to put it into my loaded cauliflower. I just took my mashed cauliflower out of the microwave, and so I'm going to take some of my freshly grated cheese and just put that in there. I'm going to take a big spoonful of sour cream and some bacon bits. Also going to add in some salt and pepper. Now I'm just going to stir this all together, microwave it for 1 more minute, and it'll be ready to go. Cody went and cooked up these burgers nice and well. I got some loaded cauliflower right here. That looks fabulous. And then we got Cody's rice and beans ready for him.
Rice and beans, baby.
This is going to be mine. And I think I'm going to wrap my burger in a tortilla and eat it like that. So basically, I laid down one of my low-carb tortillas. I added a little bit of mayo, mustard, and my low-carb Alterna Sweets ketchup in the middle. And now I'm going to take my burger with my Colby Jack cheese on it, lay it like so, and I'm just going to wrap it around the burger and eat it. It's probably not going to be the cleanest thing. I'm sure it's going to be a little bit messy, but it gives my burger a way for me to hold it. Time to dig in. I've got my little burger wrap and my loaded cauliflower. We've got Bo hoping for any niblets, and I found the paper towel that I lost. Apparently Cooper stole it. Thank you, sir. Can I have that? So the other day when I was blow drying my hair, we found out someone really likes the blow dryer. You is crazy, Cooper. You is crazy. Watch this. See, he's gone. Well, it is obviously the next day now. When I was editing this video, I realized that whenever I filmed the outro after I took a shower, the white shirt I had on was a little bit see-through in front of these lights. So here I am refilming that so I don't get demonetized. But yesterday was a fun day. We didn't do all too much, but we had some good food. We finally went to the grocery store. Thank the Lord. You have no idea how badly we needed to do that. So be on the lookout for some recipes coming y'all's way real soon. And a big special shout out to Care Of for sponsoring today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't done so. And I will see y'all again real soon with another video. Bye guys! Mwah! Bo, that was a big toot. Oh my golly.